description box below. Number 4 is the Canon ImageClass MF462DW laser printer. The Canon ImageClass MF462DW laser printer is an optimistic choice for anyone looking to create high-quality WaterSlide decals effortlessly. It boasts the innovative one-pass duplex scan technology, which allows you to obtain double-sided scans with a single pass through the automatic document feeder. With a generous maximum input sheet capacity of 250, you can embark on extensive decal projects without needing paper reloading. With the ability to print up to a mind-blowing 37 pages per minute and a first printout time of less than 4.9 seconds for letter-sized documents, you can turn your digital designs into tangible decals in the blink of an eye. The MF462DW offers seamless wireless connectivity, like Wi-Fi direct connection, to cater to your on-the-go printing needs. Whether you prefer Canon Print Business, Apple AirPrint, or Mopria Print Service, this printer ensures flawless performance. The printer offers incredible versatility in sheet sizes, ranging from 4.1 x 5.8 to 8.5 x 14 inches in the standard/optional cassette, and 3 x 5 inches to 8.5 x 14 inches in the multipurpose tray. It's like a canvas of limitless possibilities for your decal designs. Moreover, it boasts a compact and stylish design, measuring 18.1 x 16.6 x 14.8 inches. To get this laser printer right now, click on the link in the description box below. Number 5.